Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. It's an amazing thing that BTC is over $100,000. Can you see that? I actually saw this coming, of which I dropped a lot of videos about it so that you can invest few and make a lot of huge returns. So let's dive into it and see. And today I'm gonna go into throw the ball into your court and see what exactly you have for it. Okay. So I want to know what is there in your mind. Drop it to me at the comment sections. I would like to know, is it still a good investment time, or a time to sell and leave it alone? Because to my study and understanding, it might be going down for a market reset in the nearest time. And also, from the news I have heard, and a lot of stories behind BTC regarding Trump and also a great president of Russia, is going to take a still high move. You know why? Because we have a recommendation from Russia currently, from Mr. Putin, that this is going to go a very long way, of which he has also taken an interest of investment. So what do we do? But from my findings and looking at its previous movement from 95 is short or triumph to 104, and now it's resetting the markets. So to me, in my predictions this year, this BTC is going to go over 120,000 US dollars. What do you think about that? If you do have any opinion about this, drop it at the comment section. Today I'm not doing a full analysis, but I'm throwing it to everyone, both subscribers and non-subscribers, all the viewers. Let me hear of your opinion. I know we have a lot of analysts in the house, so let me hear your opinion. Where exactly this BTC is going? Meanwhile, let's throw back. So let's throw back and see what it was in the last 4 hours. In the last 4 hours, it took a very high move with a very huge momentum to over 104. In the last 4 hours, actually, there was a high movement, which took from 903 here, which took from 93,000 US dollars here to over 104 US dollars. You can see it was a high move. I know a lot of people saw this opportunity, they dived into it, and they made a huge return. All right, so let's look at what it one day was showing. A lot of people who were patient enough and purchased at 58,000 USD, and now they are cashing out over ×2 of their fund. Okay, they were patient enough, and now they are cashing out almost ×2% of their investment. So where is this BTC going now? BTC will go over 120,000 USDT in this year. Believe me, before November ending, it's going to go over that. But before that, it's going to go through market resets. But after the market reset, it's going to have a high momentum again to take over 120 USDT. So what do you need to do? All you just need to do is to be steadfast. Stay closely, watch the market movements, and make sure you dive in at the right time. Okay? As I said earlier, I'm not making a proper analysis today. I'm throwing all this to my viewers. Let's see what you know about BTC. Or let's see, because I know there are a lot of analysts in the house. So let's see what you think about it. Let's meet in the comment section. And definitely I'll be live by night, so we can talk much more or deliberate much more about this. But all I know is that BTC is going to go over 120,000 USD. So make your fund available and make sure you invest at the right time. So thank you so much for staying. I'll see you in my next class.